Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to render videos in Adobe After Effects step by step. So whether you're exporting for YouTube, TikTok, client work, or just saving your final project, yeah, I'll walk you through the easiest rendering methods. Before rendering, make sure your composition is fully finished and everything looks correct in the preview window. Check your transitions, effects, text, and audio before exporting. Next, go to the top menu, click Composition, then choose Add to Render Queue. This sends your project to the rendering panel. Inside the render queue, click the Output Module settings. Here you can choose the video format and quality settings for your export. In Media Encoder, you can choose presets like YouTube 1080p, TikTok vertical, or high-quality exports for clients. Presets save a lot of time. After rendering is finished, open the exported file and check the quality, audio, and playback. Yeah, always review the final video before uploading or sending it. And that's basically how to render videos in After Effects from start to finish. Once you get used to the export settings, rendering becomes super quick and easy.